Welcome back to Party Slayers with La Push. It's all about the groove culture, baby. It's all about the dancing, the partying, the slaying. Ngisho namakuzumela phakathi. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe on YouTube.
Slayers, it's a 011. It's a Likombo lifestyle. I don't know much about the Likombo, but today I'm gonna learn. Ngifuna nalesa style sakhona. Today I'm with artist in the manager yakhe. So only mama is Icon Lamapo. So I'm Mazi, but today is Mazi. How are you, my brother?
I'm good, yourself.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm getting you.
Okay, fine. Please tell me, as an artist, Likombo, how are things like on music when how has it been so far?
Now it has been great. I mean, I think the past 2 years, there's been just some good time for Likombo, and you can see we're competing in the mainstream radio and TV, we're topping the charts. So it has been very good and keeping some genres.
Yeah.
They're worried. They're very worried, and it's growing. It's a growing genre, and now the aim is just to take it internationally.
Oh, international. Manager, we have organ.
Amamela, this genre dalikona. So Konamanje, it's our time.
Yeah.
It's time for us to shine.
Yeah.
And it's not a competition with other genres, but it's our time to be out there and be known, eh?
Yeah. Nami ngiyavumelana nani nizomfundisa lesa step sakhona ngifuna ukuhamba ngisazi in and out. So ni hosta e011 Likombo, which is 011 is known as amapiano lifestyle kakhulu. So njengoba ni hosta la, are you guys winning ngeLikombo?
You can see, no, you can see, you can also really feel the spirit of Likombo. But whenever we get, wherever we go, no, you can see right. The Makompo people just
Likombo lifikile go 011. My manager, how is it like of manager? Like kumnandi, like stress sakho sikangakanani?
Yabona namanje.
Yeah.
It's my birthday celebration. It's a Likombo way, but I'm already stressed. I'm a compo ayashu. Generally, yo. It's about being wretched. It's about so already in the stress. Yeah. But anyway, it's a very good genre where we are experiencing welcoming into the genre, which Likombo is already known now. It was not known before, and then we had some artists that are no longer there, but Ibo abayikala leto le. So much we are being given a platform we must showcase ukuthi sifile isikhathi sethu manje.
Likombo ifikile. Likombo ifikile. Likombo. Because 011 guys, don't miss out. This is a Likombo lifestyle. I'm having fun. The guys are having fun. It's your manager, artist. This is Party Slayers. It's your slayer Likombo. I'm your host, Posha aka La.